Hello everyone, my name is Hemu and in this particular lecture we are going to discuss how to do the installation of Kali Linux in your VMware workstation, and this is the latest videos on 2023, right? And what I will do, guys, I will show you like two type of Kali Linux installation. Like first we will try to install 22.4 version, which is this is the most stable version of Kali Linux, and we will also show you how we can do the installation of 23.3 version as well, because this is the most latest version, but it is still not a most stable one. Okay, most stable one is this because the version which they used to release in the last quarter of a year, that was the most stable version. Okay, now to do that particular installation, what you need to do first, you need to basically download the Kali Linux image, right? So you can go here. Let me just show you from the scratch. What you have to do, you have to go here, you have to type kali.org. It will take you towards this Kali Linux website. Okay, now here you have to click on this download. Now here you will get multiple things. You have a installation images, virtual machines. So let's suppose you want to do the installation of this particular Kali Linux in your VMware workstation. And if you want to do the installation into your virtual box, or let's say if you want to do the installation in EVE-NG, which includes your KBM environment or your Hyper-V environment, right? What you have to do in that case, you have to basically go in this particular place. You have to click, and it will take you here, virtual machine documentation. Now we have a latest image of Kali Linux for 64-bit operating system, and this image will work for VMware. Then we have a virtual box, hypervisor, Chemo. These are the Chemo which we use in EVE-NG, right? And if you will click on this, your download will start. And guys, for you download, I have already downloaded my latest version, which is 2023.3, right? Now if I'll go back here, apart from that, you can also able to download the Kali ARM details, right? These are the things for that. Now if you will go into this installation image, here you will get some installation details as well. Then here you have a RM, ARM, mobile, cloud, all these details, right? If you go into this cloud, you can able to basically see the AWS Azure details, right? How we can download, or what we can use for AWS environment. If you want to use the Kali Linux, right, you will get all these type of documentation, and they will guide you through how you need to do the installation along with price and other things. Okay, I'm not going into that much depth here. And guys, from where you will able to download the old image, right? So you have to go to into a website called old.kali.org. Into this particular website, you will have all the old images. Like we have a 2029.4 version, then 2024 version, 21st 4 version, right? 22.4 version and 23 is also there. So I have basically downloaded this 20. I'll go into this 22.4, and here you can able to see, the Kali Linux for your chemos, like your EVE-NG image, I can say your virtual box image, your VMware image, right? So what you need to, download this image for VMware workstation. You have to just double click on this one, and for you guys, I have already did the download, so I will not go do the download again. Now if you will click on save, your download will start, right? So this is the place from where you will get the Kali Linux images. Now let me just pick 22.4 version first. Okay, I'll go here, and I'll just, because this file is a zip file. Okay, So I will basically use my 7-zip and I will just extract. I click on extract here. Now you can see extract is started. Because guys, this is the OVA type of file, and with that file you just need to open with your VMware Workstation and your job is done. So installation is very easy guys. Let me go here. Let me do the same thing with that image as well. I'll go here and I will just click on extract here. Now you can see extract has been started and you can see the folders are creating here. Let's wait here for some time. Because installation is very straightforward guys for VMware Workstation, and which we are right now showing. It's done. Now if you want, you can delete both of these images. I don't want to keep them on my system. Now I'll go here into 22.4 here, and now you can see we have all the files here, right? We have almost all the files here. Now what you need to do, you have to basically pick this file VMware virtual machine configuration. But before doing this thing, let me just go here, let me just rename this folder, and what I want to basically remove this part. Same thing I will do here. Now I'll go inside this 2024 and I will just look for this particular file, this VMware virtual machine configuration file. And if you will right click on this file and if you will open with VMware Workstation, now you can see it has just opened, right? Now you can go here. See guys, your Kali Linux works fine with 2 GB RAM, but I'll always recommend, like, if you have a more RAM, give at least 8 GB so it can basically work in efficient manner. Hard disk, it will take around 80 GB, so we will go with the same thing. Right now it just have have a one adapter, which is net adapter, and I also recommend I'll go here and I'll just change the adapter, and I'll just want to put this particular device on my in bridge fashion, so it will basically got connectivity with my home router. Click on OK, and if you want, you can add some extra adapters as well. There is no any problem with that. You can just power on. Click on OK. Hit enter. Now your booting is started. Let's wait here. And guys, let me tell you, this particular Kali Linux machine, this machine basically is provided by the offensive security. And guys, most of the hackers, they will use this Kali Linux machine for doing their day-to-day activities. Okay. Now you can see installation is done. Now it will ask what is the username and what is the password. So guys, default username is Kelly and password is also Kelly, all in small letters. Okay, all in small letters. I can just put here Kali is the username and Kali is the password. And now you can see I got the access. Let's wait for some time. See, it's done. You can increase the size like this. And go here, you can run this command if config. You can see I got the IP address which is 192.168. I can ping to Google. See, I can able to do anything, right? One 92, 168. 1.1. See, ping is working. Right? Which means I did the installation of Kali Linux successfully. Okay. You can able to see here all the vulnerabilities, tools, all these things here as well. All applications will be there. If you will type ping hyphen help, you will get the details as well, right? All the things. We can use F, it's just a flooded ping. So you can able to see all these things. Right? Ping hyphen F. Let me just try that 192.168.1.1 slash. Yeah, it's not a flooded one. Let me just do the flooding on this network. No. Okay. Maybe I am running wrong command. So this is how, guys, basically we used to do the things. Okay. And your Kali Linux has been installed successfully in your VMware Workstation. Now, you can launch your browser as well if you want, right? Your browser will launched here. You can increase the size as well for this browser. You can do whatever you want, right? You have a document, all these things here. You can close from here. So this is your Kali Linux 2022.4 installation, right? Which we did successfully. Now you can go here if you want to do the installation for this one. 2023.3, this is the latest one. You need to just look for the same file, VMware virtual machine configuration file, go and open with VMware Workstation. Login. Start your installation. Your installation is going on right now. Meanwhile, let me just show you one more thing, guys. If you will go into desktop settings, you can able to choose like which background you want to use. Basically, you can use any of these backgrounds. Installation is done here as well. You can log in with username Kelly, password is Kelly. Just wait here. See, installation is completed here as well. If config, see, I got the IP address which is 192.161.37.100 because I have not changed the adapter, right? But I can able to reach to google.com. See, I have the connectivity with the internet. You can type here sudo su for the username Kelly. Right now, if you want to change the password, like default password for user Kelly, you can change by running this command. I'm not going to do that, right? By default, you can also log in here as a root account, guys. It's not like that. See, let me log out. Let me log back in with the root account. Username is root. Password is tour. Oh, password is not working. So as, as per my knowledge, Kali Linux root username and password. Default credential. You can go into this website. Username Kelly, password is Kelly. Oh, looks like they don't have any password initially because they just said Kelly and Kelly only, right? Not an issue. You can go here. You can log in with username Kelly. And let me show you how we can do that. Like if you will type sudo -su sudo su, put the password which is Kelly. Go here, just type a passwd for root. Configure the password. Let's say I want to do it here. Admin add 123. Admin add 123. Password has been changed. Now you can log out. Now log back in here. Username is root and password is admin add 123. Login. See, so guys, installation of Kali Linux is pretty straightforward, right? We have seen the installation for both the versions 22.4 and 23.4.